My lord, I beg the item number 16, Lordship.
Yes.
16, the matter has been in fact to us, Lordship, because they have pleaded guilty and the period already over and then released, Lordship. To my information. It was regarding bail.
Okay. Miss Esken Argis, have you informed the other side?
Other side, I informed, and they know that they have appeared in a trial court also.
You have to inform them, you are passing an order of disposal.
Then let them come, Lordship, then let them come.
We'll, even if you are not there, have some of your colleagues,
Look,
will pass the orders.
look, problem.
Right, please, Lord. I am praying for listing of a criminal appeal, my lord. Any day of next week, my lord.
Criminal appeal, what stage? What is the stage?
My lord, it is admission.
Admission stage, new matter.
No, it's order matter.
Order-
IA is there. IA is there.
Admitted when?
Uh,
When was it admitted?
Admitted on March.
Okay, we'll have it next Wednesday.
May I please, my lord, one criminal appeal is pending from 2020 onwards to till today. Yeah. My lord, paperwork already prepared in 2022. So if it is listed on 25th or 26th,
We'll have it on 27th.
Yes.
And we'll fix a date for hearing. We'll come up for orders. Okay. Mention it, change the category, make it for orders.
orders,
Yes, by mention memo, it will not come for hearing.
May I plead your lordship? I beg to mention item number 3 for adjournment. Lordship. My English counsel is out of station.
Who is GNG's counsel?
M. Biswas. S.
I-
Biswas.
Huh?
Sorry, Lordship. S. Biswas.
For the respondent?
Yes.
Have you informed the other side?
Lord, I am for appellant.
You're for the appellant.
Lord,
Item number 3.
Lord.
You're not there. Where?
IA Chaudhary, Lord. My name is
You're
there.
Ayush Chaudhary. Okay.
Lord.
On a prayer made on behalf of 3S Biswas, the learned legal aid counsel for the respondent number 2. Matter is adjourned to be listed after a week. But why is it listed for orders today?
Lordship, notice was issued to them, Lordship. So service complete, Lordship, and healthcare received, Lordship.
Okay, no, ठीक है.
And now, Lordship, matter has come up for consideration of bail.
Okay, we'll.
That's why.
Lordship.
Give the order.
Item 1.
Lordship, this is an appeal against conviction, and the appellant has been convicted for 18 years for an offence alleged to be committed under section 21C and 29 of the NDPS Act. White judgment date is 7/8/2024.
What is your name?
Albanic.
Heard Miss L. Banik, learned counsel for the appellant who has preferred this appeal under so-and-so against so-and-so. Admit. Call for the records. Miss S. Jahan Learned APP accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1. What about 2 and 3?
Oh,
I have been made parties by.
yes.
I can appear for them.
Why have you made them parties by name?
IO.
There are two IOs. One,
Why have you made them parties by name in a criminal appeal?
I'll
Well,
appear for all the.
for all the respondents. List after 6 weeks along with report on service.
along with an IO, your Lordship.
I will issue notice.
I after receipt of health.
I same huh? Issue notice on it. So access notice, you taken it. List after 6 weeks. In the meantime, objections may be filed. Item 2.
May I please, your lordship. Appeal against conviction, your lordship, 20 years, POCSO.
Here, Shoma. Preferred appeal so and so, under so and so. admit. Call for the record. Ms. Ed Jahan, learned APP accepts notice on behalf of the state respondent number 1. Let steps be taken for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 in the manner prescribed. Steps within 2 days. Para, list after 6 weeks along with service report as well as report on receipt of LCR.
Oblige, your lordship.
My lord, for the time being, lordship.
Why is it listed for orders?
It is listed for orders because we have filed an IA for bail, lordship. Kursi file. Mobile bail. After some time, lordship.
Who will be there?
Lordship.
Who will be there?
Yeah, I'll be.
Then
Lordship, actually what happened, brief lordship. I arrived because of this traffic, lordship, junior.
okay. In a while, okay. After a while. Item number 527.
This matter has been fixed for consideration of the interim order.
My lord, I'd like to state that senior counsel Z Kumar is on his way, but it will take some time. May the item be taken after some time.
Okay, after a while.
Right.
Difficult to adjourn matters like this.
Thank you, sir. My lord.
It took only history. They took a son. Right. I love that. Okay. Item 8 is a state appeal, your lordship, against acquittal.
Why is it for orders?
Today the LP, the leave petition, and there is a delay condonation petition also. And today it has come up for the first time. Because of e-filing and all, it got delayed. And the delay was of 293 days. The respondent is the superintendent of a girls' hostel, and there are allegations against him under section 10, 9, and 12 of POCSO that he used to harass the girls there.
Okay, we'll issue notice in the
Lordship. 293 days delay, that is IA criminal 1061.
You first to delay condemnation of the body absolutely valuable. Absolutely. We issue notice in 1061. Correct?
1061. I think the delay needs to be first dealt with after
Yes,
that.
then we'll come to the leave part.
But then leave is listed as the first one.
Doesn't matter.
Lord.
1061, huh? Heard Miss Ed Jahan, learned APP Assam, who has filed this petition praying for condonation of delay in preferring the appeal against so-and-so, passed by so-and-so. Let notice be issued. Returnable by 6 weeks. Let steps be taken for service of notice upon the respondent within 2 days. Within 3 days, 3 working days. Within 3 working days. Yes.
9 is also same, the victim is different. So the case is registered
Okay.
separately.
9, which is the leave, I mean the
IA 1062.
1060 for condonation of delay?
Yes.
1060, take your order.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, this is an appeal challenging the Tasmanian order dated so and so, wherein the accused has been convicted under section 22C of the NDPS Act, and he has been convicted for 12 years, lordship. The appeal has been admitted, LCR has been received. Today it has come up for IA. Basically, the grounds of the IA that section body, there was body charge and section 50 was not compiled during the search. ISA.
How do you establish your, the grounds which you are trying to urge,
Lordship.
violation of 50?
Yes, Lordship.
For that, we have to need to see the evidence.
Yes, Lordship.
Have you made a compilation of the evidence?
Lordship. Lordship. Because
Then we'll have the paper book prepared, okay?
Okay.
We'll have the IA kept alive.
Lordship,
Lordship.
Lordship.
Objection.
হেৰি আহিছে নেকি? Health আহিছে নেকি?
নাই মানে মই পোৱা নাই।
Objection also we have not filed. I
You filed your
think.
objection. Heard through you, Chaudhary, Learned Legal Aid Council, as well as Miss L. Jahan, Learned Additional PP Assam. Para, LCR has been received. Para, let the paper book be prepared. Para, on the request of the Learned APP, comma. No, in the meantime, the Learned APP, on request, may file the objection to DIA.
Objection.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, the last office note does not reflect whether the service upon the private respondent has been completed or not.
The POXO matter.
No, your lordship, with the 302 matter, your lordship. Conviction under 302
Lordship can
IPC.
proceed.
Paper book is otherwise, I mean, the LCR has come.
Yes, your
LCR
lordship,
is
that
here.
has already been received and the state have already filed their objection, your lordship. Lordship, there is an IA for bail, your lordship. I pray that the matter may be taken up next week if it is possible, your lordship.
Oh, let us see then. On a request made on behalf of the applicant appellant, list after a week. Miss Ed Jahan, Learned APP is present.
Lordship, may I pray for a fixed date, your lordship?
On request list on. Today is 13 Niki. We'll have it on 28th, 20.
Deeply
Okay.
open.
Tuesday. Lord.
Next is your lordship. On last occasion, the appeal was admitted and the records were called for. In the meantime, the informant two was also served the notice to the Learned APP. APP was asked to stop the notice. So report has not been regarding serving of the copy to the informant.
POXO matter.
POXO matter. Here the appellant has been convicted under section 6 of the POXO Act, passed by the Learned Special Judge POXO Tinsukia in judgment against order dated 29/4/2024. Today, there is an IA also, your lordship.
I objection, isn't it?
No.
Oh, objection also we are yet to file.
Okay. What about the aspect of service of notice upon the respondent number 2?
I
Madam,
mean, intimation was not sent to me. I mean, I have to like take instruction.
okay. Heard Sri W. Medhi, Learned Counsel for the applicant appellant. Also heard Miss Ed Jahan, Learned APP Assam, who prays for some time to file objection and also to take instructions on the aspect of service of notice upon the respondent number 2.
Lordship, and one more, there is an inadvertent error, typographical error that has been seen in the IA, the cost title. The judgment and order should be 29/4/2024. It is 2022 in the IA.
Well, that doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter, not make a difference.
My lord.
Para, in view of the above, matter is adjourned by 3 weeks, is it okay?
No,
3
not
weeks.
enough.
Obliged.
I didn't show it. Yes.
Record has already come. And the service report is awaited, most probably the service report not in the
POXO.
POXO court. Court of the POXO Act.
Madam, I think same, you need to, you have not filed your objection.
No, Lordship. In fact, it was not with me, perhaps with my colleague.
Same order will pass,
Lordship.
okay? Heard Sri J.
3 weeks
Das.
we'll file our objection.
Objection or ground or service report on respondent number 2. 3 weeks.
No.
Advocate J. Das.
But this is your lordship, in this matter, also, I am appearing as legal aid counsel, lordship. There is a delay application, 37 days, lordship. He was convicted for life under section 6 of the POCSO Act
They will issue notice here. Okay, you are N. Chaudhary,
and surgery.
heard Miss N. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the applicant who has filed this application under section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963 for condonation of delay of 37 days in preferring the appeal against the judgment and order is so-and-so, passed by so-and-so. Para, let notice be issued. Para, Miss H. Jahan, learned APP Assam, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1. Let steps be taken for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 in the manner prescribed. Steps within 2 working days.
Obliged, lordship.
Returnable question? Returnable 6 weeks.
Lordship, legal aid counsel, that may be,
Yes, your name is there. Miss N. Chaudhary, the learned, the name of Miss N. Chaudhary should be indicated as legal aid counsel in the call list.
obliged, lordship.
15, I think 15.
Please, your lordship, this is a conviction under section 6 of POCSO Act. There's an IA for condonation of delay of 5 days.
What is your name? Your name?
A. Atreya.
A.
Atreya.
Harshpriya Atreya Learned Counsel, section 5. We are issuing notice, okay?
Right.
Take step. Madam, here for 1.
Lordship,
Same, same order.
same order.
6 weeks.
Public.
Mr. Kamar, engrossed.
No, my lord. Actually, we are discussing the strategy of item number 5, my lord.
Strategy.
Not just for House of Representatives, my lord.
Strategy at the other side.
Not that way, my lord, but because 5 is also we are there, my lord, all combined. Well, in this case, on a mention, it has been listed today, my lord. Actually, on the last date, my lord, the last order was since admitted on 29.
Yes.
I mean, objection isn't.
Objection,
I is for?
yeah, I is for the bail, my lord, 389, my lord. So probably PP will seek some time for filing the objection, my lord. Because it was directed that it should be listed, my lord, after receipt of the lower court record. Probably it has come.
The record is here. Here, you know, Oxford.
Record is come, my lord. No, not possible. 302. Right away. No idea, my.
The appeal is yet to be admitted,
Yes, my lord. On 28th of September, my lord.
not admitted.
No, it was admitted.
I think it is admitted, my lord.
No? One at admission. Mentioning it also.
And it was directed to listed after 4 weeks on receipt of the LCR.
No. Mention.
Maybe. But court said it is admitted, issue notice.
Admission to nine लिखा हम पढ़ते नहीं देखे थे नहीं kindly check up madam the last order
We'll jointly do it, madam.
notice delay into the period certificate of
Legal order. Oh, acha, it was not annexed with the interlocutory application, the
No,
judgment
see
and order.
the entire order.
Mm.
There is no order of admitting.
Ah,
Say second page. If that is why we wanted to have to make it doubly sure.
The receipt was directed, madam.
Though notice has been issued, somehow the admission part has been left. That's all.
But notice the para 10, the notice is made returnable in 4 weeks.
Yes.
only
regarding-
notice is given but not admitted.
That
We
has
have
to
to
be
admit it.
Now check.
And my lord, in the meantime, there was an issue involved, my lord, two issues rather, my lord. By that time, we came to about the notification, so it's all done. But we lawyers really face difficulty, my lord, because of the ignorance of their race-based personnel, my lord. It happens this way, they always insist that we should give a certificate in a criminal appeal regarding that we have got a good ground, the appeal will be allowed, like CPC, my lord. But with unfortunate, we have checked it out along with the court assistant, my lord. And we could show it from the record that under the Guwahati High Court rules for the CRPC or IPC, in any way, there is no necessity of.
Criminal court, appeal, it's not that,
Yes, ma'am.
it's a matter of.
No, we
right.
have checked it, my lord.
Not
Madam,
required.
So from that, if you look into the chapter 11 of the Guwahati High Court.
Now let us admit it,
Oh.
admit this.
In fact, note has been prepared by the registry saying that certificate is not
Not
required.
required.
It was said
Ah,
certificate is
that's
not.
right. So that may kindly be observed so that next time it will become a judicial part of the order. Because for that non-filing of the certificate, it was not listed for 2 weeks, my lord.
Heard Sri J. Kamar, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Sri
Parthijeet Devchand, PD Chaudhary.
P.D. Chaudhary. For the appellant, also heard Sri Ms. S. Jahan, Learned APP Assam. Para. The Senior Counsel for the appellant has drawn the attention of this court to the order dated 29/2023, wherein a reference was made to a notification number 17 of 2/3/2023 with regard to filing of criminal appeals, filing and registration of criminal appeals. Put to para. Pursuant thereto, this court had accordingly directed the registry to put up a note on the said issue. Para, accordingly, a note dated 12/11/2024 has been prepared by the registry clarifying the matter that no certificate is required to be appended in a memo of appeal in criminal matters.
Right.
Para. Let admit let the appeal be admitted for hearing. Let the records be.
Call for record has already arrived.
Records is also already called it there. Records are here.
Want to do it here for
Now, well, it's here, my lord, in the
No,
court.
no, understood.
Records call for has been received, my lord.
It also.
It's in the last paragraph of the order.
Hmm.
It's there.
No, you have to look it.
Mm.
In the court case also it is, my.
We are not on that.
Sure.
The order did not call for the records actually.
But the
I
last
think that
paragraph. Acha.
Even
No, my
admission
lord,
was not
probably in
there,
the appeal, my
because
lord.
since it was not admitted,
Huh.
so LCR was not called for. That doesn't matter.
No, my lord, I'll just
Uh,
point it out.
This
probably
this
there is
court has
a-
also been informed that did to this court. Full stop. Let the paper book be
My lord,
prepared.
the IA is there.
Let the paper, in the meantime, let the paper book be prepared. You have filed objection in the
Will need some time.
paper
In the
book was-
IA, my
yes, be prepared, and the appeal will be listed after 6 weeks, listed after 6 weeks. Prepared, and the appeal will be listed after such preparation in the IAU, right? On the prayer of Miss S. Jahan, Learned APP Assam. How much time? 4 weeks time.
Yes.
4 weeks time is granted to file objection. Is it under conviction under?
302, my lord.
Shall we fix a date?
Life imprisonment.
No, should we fix a date? Should we fix a date in your matter?
My lord, that will be better, my lord. Otherwise, it will not
List
come.
on request, list on.
December.
on the fourth of December,
Fourth.
Wednesday.
Right, that will do.
Oh, 4 weeks, we should, no? We said 4 weeks, I think. We had said 4
4
weeks,
weeks.
so not 4th of December. Let it be 11th of December.
Lord.
My lord. Can it be on 12, my lord?
Okay. We'll try
12,
on
my lord.
12 December.
Even DD, huh?
Okay, good. Until I don't.
Mr. RKD Chaudhary is there, madam, she wants to withdraw the appeal. It's being infructuous.
Yes, become infructuous lordship, he has pleaded guilty.
Item number 16. Heard Miss S.K. Nargis, learned counsel for the appellant. Also heard Sri RKD Chaudhary, learned standing counsel, NIA. Full stop. This appeal was preferred against an order dated so and so, passed by the so and so, whereby the prayer for bail was rejected. Full stop. The learned counsel for the appellant has, however, submitted that there has been subsequent development for which there is no requirement to press the appeal. Full stop. Sri Dev Chaudhary, the learned standing counsel, submits that he will not have any objection if the appeal is allowed to be withdrawn. Para. In view of the above, comma, the appeal is dismissed on withdrawal.
All right.
Item 18.
This is IA 1077 has been filed seeking listing of the matter lordship for consideration of the IA.
Okay, we need to
nine-
file an objection. I prefer some more time, madam.
Lordship, in the meantime, what I pray lordship, that as per my instruction, petitioner's health condition is not good and he is suffering from tuberculosis. So that a report from the jail doctor or anywhere, lordship, that may be called for along with the, that is my humble prayer, lordship.
Heard Miss P. Soam, learned counsel for the applicant who by means of this application has prayed for early listing of the connected IS criminal 971 in criminal appeal 332 of 2024. Full stop. The aforesaid IA 971 is pending, has been filed for suspension of sentence and enlarging the applicant on bail, in which notice was issued on 21/10/2024, making it returnable by 6 weeks. Full stop. The learned counsel has submitted that there are certain medical issues which requires expeditious consideration of the said application. Para. Ms. B. Bhuya, learned APP Assam, however, submits that objections would be filed in the IA praying for suspension of sentence. Full stop. Let in view of the facts and circumstances as narrated in the subsequent IA, comma, let such objections be filed by
Within a week.
objections be filed within today is 13 minutes. Filed by 25th of November, 25th of when the matter would be listed for consideration. Along with the learned APP would also obtain the medical report
From the jail doctor.
of the appellant from the concerned jail superintendent.
For center.
We are fixing it on 25th.
And deep tablet.
My lord, this is an appeal against conviction. We have filed an interlocutory application notice. I respond for the informant council appeared, but lordship copy of the IA, he has stated that copy of the IA he did not receive.
IA for suspension.
Suspension of.
Look, server a copy, we'll have it next week.
No.
Okay. Heard Miss S.K. Nargis, learned counsel for the applicant appellant. Also heard Miss S. Jahan, learned
I filed my
APP Assam,
objection.
who has filed the objection.
No, I
Yes,
filed.
fine.
Oh,
Yes,
also heard Miss S. Jahan, learned
I have
AP,
filed.
learned APP Assam. What's up? Miss D. Ghosh, learned legal aid counsel, has entered appearance for the respondent number 2. In respondent number 2, informant, para. Both Miss Jahan as well as Miss Ghosh pray for.
No, I have filed my objection. It's all
You
right.
filed.
Have filed, I also have filed objection for the appeal, but
I-
I did not miss.
Appeal what? Objection in an appeal.
Actually, it should have been for
IA.
I have not.
We can treat this as another thing.
IA.
That can be considered as an objection to the
for
IA.
IA, but let me
But
get a copy of that.
এইটো নেলিখিব কি আছিলে
No, I have.
না 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 লাগে ওপৰত লিখিব না Ms. Jahan has also informed this court that objection by the state has been already filed. Para? Since Ms. Ghosh, the learned legal aid counsel has however submitted that though the memo of appeal has been served upon her,
No,
Mama.
I.
the copy of the IA has not been served. Full stop. Ms. Nargis, the learned counsel for the applicant, undertakes to serve a copy of the IA by tomorrow,
today itself, lordship.
during the course of the day.
Lordship.
Para? List for consideration when?
Can it be on 20th?
20, next Wednesday.
Next Wednesday,
Okay. On 20th.
obliged.
Kindly remind us if we are there that your objection in the appeal can be treated.
Yeah, lordship, lordship,
Obliged.
What ground do you have in a POXO matter?
lordship.
IA?
I suspension of sentence, lordship,
What ground?
because lordship, in this case, as per FIR, lordship, allegation is that he was tried, lordship. He was
You-
tried, as per FIR, lordship.
He was tried means?
He was tried, he has not committed
Oh, he
offense.
tried to do the offense.
Yes,
Attempt.
attempt was there, and lordship, I have some citation to that regard, lordship.
That will go to the merits of the case. Can it be a prima facie case to hold, withhold the
He
conviction?
has taken the plea, and in 313 lordship, to that regard, there was a dispute between father of the victim and the appellant, lordship. Because of that.
Okay, let us try on 20th.
On
Lordship.
20th.
Problem.
Number 57.
My lord, on the last occasion, your lordship, when it was listed, your lordship directed the registry to serve the paper book if not served. On the very day it was served, my lord, we have received it. So paper book is here and my bail IA is pending, my lord.
You want to press the bail IA?
Yes, I have come for praying for that also, my lord, for
No, you want to
today.
press it or what? Or you want to hear the entire appeal?
That is what, my lord, how as I said, talking of the strategy was that, my lord. That since the paper book is ready, my lord.
If the paper book is ready, I think we can waive. Appeal is of which year?
My lord,
23.
23 itself, my
Conviction under?
lord. 302, my lord. There
Mr.
are many,
Agarwal,
in the other section, the sentence has already been undergone. my lord.
number 6, 3 accused person.
You have for 3 numbers of accused person and Mr. Kamar for 2.
Yes, and Mr. Anshuman Bora is for one.
for 1. And he is on bail, my lord. The honorable-
3, 4 and 1.
Yes,
That means total 7 and 1, 8 number of accused.
No, 6, my lord. I am 3, he is 2. And
You are for 3, you are for 2, 5 and 1, the 6.
Mr. K. Bhattacharya, he is also.
okay.
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 I'm reading.
Total 6 numbers of.
Six numbers.
Okay.
One of the conviction is under 302 for life, my lord, and other under 385 and others 323 and my lord, other sections, my lord, 2 years and 1 year.
That is
We were arrested on, my lord, 18/4/2022. And my lord, so far the other part of the convictions are concerned, my lord, sentences we have already suffered, my lord, more than 2.5 years. And
37 witnesses.
one person has been granted bail by this honorable court, my lord. Mr. Lal Mohammed, item number 7.
If you are ready, we can hear the matter at a date by giving some time to the EPP so that she comes prepared.
Your lordship.
Might not be proper.
No, my lord.
Final hearing not proper. No,
He's submit.
who has to be give some
why you have
people
two
time, let
person
her
on
come
it?
prepared.
No, let her be prepared.
Prepared, yeah. We can have it by next Tuesday, not an issue.
For final hearing, my lord.
Final hearing. Now, if you have any other date of your convenience, you can inform us. How many witnesses?
37.
37.
Only 3 witnesses are important.
Yes, sir.
PW1,
Rely on.
PW1, 2 and 4, my lord. I have read it, my lord. I'll place before my lord.
The all maximum
32
My
witnesses.
witnesses are there.
And my lord, one
Yes.
aspect of the matter was taken into consideration, that section 27 of the Evidence Act leading to discovery with regard to, my lord, one lathi of 2.5 inch.
Leading to discovery of one
One lathi, my lord,
lathi.
and one, my lord, brick, half brick, practically, my lord. 2 recovery were there, my lord. And my lord, from
Lathi
the
and brick, recovery of brick.
brick, my lord, your lordship will kindly
That was
see.
used while hitting.
That-
Understood, but
confession was-
brick is a article where you find everywhere.
My lord, there is
It was in the open.
no allegation that, my lord, somebody.
This lathi was sent for any test.
No, nothing. Even not shown to the doctor. The doctor did postmortem. Injury was on the, my lord, backside, on the side, my lord, and our case is that he jumped in the river. After this incident,
What was the nature of the injury in the postmortem?
injury, my lord, says that on a head, my lord.
Blunt weapon.
Actually, yes, your
Just
lordship.
making it more further clear, my lord. Actually, the dead
Blunt
body was
weapon.
found after 2 days while he was sunk under beneath the river.
The
my lord.
case, defense
Then
case
it
is
was
he jumped,
already
my lord.
decomposed, my lord. Most of the
But
body
they were
was
very much
eaten up, my
present at the place of offense.
Only
your
the doctor
lordship.
found some injury on the head, to which
But what about the eyewitness?
eyewitness
Yes.
account is not direct, my lord. That is the issue, my lord. According
but
to
the-
us, it is not a the
Eyewitness.
eyewitness. She was just misleading the IO to be an eyewitness. That is our case, my lord.
No,
and we will
no,
try to
lordship,
do
she was
that.
very much present there.
She
The
saw
case
it.
of- Yes, lordship, according to the defense, my lord, this, the
She was-
victim girl, along with the deceased, they were like,
Boyfriends.
they were found, boyfriends were found in this position, my lord.
Okay.
So lordship, they get out them, your lordship, then thereafter he was killed.
This
She was very
person
much
they
present there.
reprimanded first. Then
And this eyewitness, who is the eyewitness?
This,
that victim girl, my lord.
victim,
Victim.
Along
with
with
the
her
sister.
sister. Along with her sister.
yes. I pray in the first week or last week of
25th of November, can it be?
Any any date of your
25th November, sir.
consensus?
sir, ছাব্বিশ
25th, sir.
26 এর মনে আছে।
28 করে
না, পিছার আর একদিনও শেষ না হবো না।
25th, my lord. হবে।
25th, 26th, 30th,
Can I have it on 3rd December? Tuesday.
হ্যাঁ?
Just a suggestion.
Yes, sure.
Fine.
3rd December.
The first week of December.
then in the coming week, lordship, the new year. Matter of 2023, your lordship,
Yeah, yeah.
37 witnesses, my lord.
মোটা আমরা 25
26th, if not inconvenient to my lord, 25th or 20th. 25th.
If
Well,
there are
can you-
37 witnesses,
Huh?
if there are 37 witnesses,
But just a few lines here and there, man, honestly. Make not that these two witnesses, if we can sail through these two witnesses, then we have.
but we have to deal with all
Or
37.
otherwise, hold up.
Anyway, my lord, there are 32 witnesses that's on record.
No, the problem is that in the judgment, we have to deal with all
Yeah,
37,
absolutely.
whether relevant or irrelevant. At least
Yeah.
name
Your lordship has
what
to-
they have said.
Your
then say
lordship,
rela-
your lordship has to read it.
We have to read.
Whether
and-
we read or
read
not,
and
your,
re-
your
observe
lordship has
something.
to read. Your lordship cannot.
So let it be on 25, my lord, we'll try for it, my lord. If the lordship.
25th, we'll try.
No, 25th alai de dada.
25 November, start putting.
Sub-
Then
so
we'll,
koro,
we'll start on
যদি
25th, my lord.
সম্ভব
See,
26th. We'll
we
26th,
can
fine.
make an adjustment if somebody has any.
26th, fine.
But if it continues for 1-2 days, we may have some difficulty. This is not a permanent kind of a bench.
25th, let it be, my lord.
She will reply it on 26.
Because
Because
we
26
have to
will-
run through into- Perfect, so. Well, we can try. We can try, but we cannot.
Let's,
share.
We can try, my lord, let us.
Okay.
Not then, my lord, some other day.
25th, man.
Heard, huh? So what naam likhiba, huh? For the appellants. Also heard Miss B. Bria, learned ABP Assam. Para. Do the learned counsel for the appellants submit that corresponding IAs are there for suspension of sentence and release on bail. Come on. We have been informed that we have seen that the paper book has been prepared and circulated, and copies thereof have been forwarded to the respective council. Full stop para. In view of the above, comma, we are of the view that instead of hearing the IAs, comma, the appeals can be taken up for final disposal. Full stop para. Let the appeals be listed for hearing on 25/11/2020.
My